Hello dear viewers, turmeric, a golden spice, is used for its powerful medicinal properties since generation. This spice has been used since 3,000 years during the Vedic time. This excellent spice has many health benefits. Today I am going to share many health benefits of this excellent spice and how this spice is used to benefit us. Also, you will learn how to incorporate turmeric in different ways. But before we start, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to keep in touch. Thank you. Turmeric main active component curcumin is responsible for many of the health benefits. Number 1. It relieves pain and inflammation. Turmeric has been widely used as a home remedy to treat pain. Curcumin has anti-inflammatory property, helps relieving pain and inflammation in our body. It also relieves osteoarthritis, pain, and different joint pains. Since it reduces inflammation, it improves the joint mobility also. Also, when someone gets hurt or has some body pain, usually we give hot milk with turmeric and that helps. Turmeric also has antibacterial and antiseptic property. Applying turmeric to cut skin wounds speeds up the healing process and stops the spread of infection. Second, improves memory. Curcumin's medicinal quality aids in the prevention of neurodegeneration. Therefore, it is important to add turmeric in your daily meals. This will improve children's brain power, and it will also prevent age-related memory loss. Number 3. It helps fight depression. Curcumin has a positive effect on memory and moods. It helps to regulate neurotransmitters such as dopamine and serotonin. These hormones are responsible for generating happy feeling. Fourth, helps to prevent cancer. Chronic inflammation is one of the causes for cancer. Curcumin has anti-cancer characteristic that helps to regulate body's inflammatory processes. Every morning, take a glass of warm water or a glass of herbal tea and add pinch of turmeric in that to gain the benefit of turmeric. It protects against viruses. Turmeric helps in development of immune system. Its antiviral property helps fighting against all the viruses. Drink a glass of warm turmeric milk at night also. And sixth, get glowing skin. Turmeric slows down the oxidation process and thereby slows down premature aging. Because of turmeric's antiseptic property, it prevents breakouts and acne, which in turn helps to get clear and healthy skin. Go ahead and use this spice nicely, systematically, and help yourself. This was all for today. Till the next video, take care and be healthy.